Embakasi East Member of Parliament Paul Ongili, popularly known as Babu Owino, will spend another night in police custody pending a court ruling tomorrow on whether he should be released on bail. Owino was charged with subversion and incitement to violence over remarks he made against the president.
In a not-so-unfamiliar territory for Embakasi East MP Paul Ongili, alias Babu Owino, at the Milimani Chief Magistrate Court. This time as he faces multiple counts of incitement to violence in relation to remarks he made against President Uhuru Kenyatta, which the prosecution said demeans the presidency.
If the accused person was to be found guilty on the first count and the second count, the term, if the court went to the maximum, would be 7 years, 6 months. If he was to be found guilty on the alternative and count 2, that is a period of 5 years and 6 months.
We're in a very awkward position because that application is going to be made from the bar. There is no affidavit. There is no formal application demonstrating that there are those compelling reasons.
Owino's legal team, led by senior counsel James Orengo, persuaded the court to release Owino on bail pending conclusion of the case. An application which the Deputy Director of Public Prosecution, Nicholas Mutuku, objected. He claims the first-time MP could interfere with witnesses lined up to testify, also raising fears that Owino may abscond the court proceedings.
He was arrested while hiding at the Social Villa Apartments, house number C7. And if it was not for our serious tracking devices, the accused person would not have been found. That is a fact.
You cannot track and breach anybody's privacy without an order of the court. That is the law. That is the Constitution. All the proceeds of their illegal tracking must be contemptuously expunged and ignored. And once that is done, they have absolutely no basis to allege that the accused may not attend court.
But after a 5-hour court proceeding, Chief Magistrate Francis Andai ordered the police to detain the MP at Kilelesho Police Station, pending his ruling on bail on Wednesday.
I do this with all the respect to the submissions made by learned senior counsel James Orengo, that plea, and the one that Mr. Mutuku has made. I'll deliver the ruling tomorrow at 10:30 a.m.
Babu Owino becomes the latest suspect on a crackdown for inciters after Gatundu South MP Moses Kuria and former Machakos Senator Johnston Muthama. This given the political climate in the country as Kenyans prepare for a repeat presidential poll set for October 26th. Raquel Muigai, KTN News, Nairobi.